Fill in the blanks. Blank shall mean any records, documents, papers, reports, letters, contracts, minutes and transcripts of official meetings, maps, books, photographs, data research materials, films, sound and video recording, magnetic or other tapes, electronic data, computer stored data, or any other like or similar data or materials recorded, stored or archived in whatever format, whether offline or online, which are made, received, or kept in or under the control and custody of any government office pursuant to law, executive order, and rules and regulations, or in connection with the performance or transaction of official business by any government office. Ano po ito siya? The answer is information. So according to DepEd Order number 72, Series 2016, Department of Education People's Freedom of Information Manual and Implementing Details. So I included this DepEd order as part of records management kasi ang freedom of information, yung mga clients natin or stakeholders natin ay magre-request sa atin ng mga documents o records. So it's part of records management. Kailangan alam natin ang DepEd, ang rules and guidelines ng DepEd about sa implementation ng Freedom of Information or FOI. So meron ng Manual of Implementation ang Department of Education, nilabas pa noong 2016. So ang information po, ang kanyang operational definition ay ito, mga records, records, documents, papers, reports, letters, contracts, minutes, and transcripts of official meetings, maps, books, photographs, data, research materials, films, sound and video recording, magnetic or other tapes, electronic data, computer stored data, yung mga soft copy, or any other like or similar data or materials recorded, stored, or archived in whatever format, whether offline or online, which are made, received, or kept. So ito po. Lahat po ay pwedeng tawagin information. So, bakit inilabas ito na DO-72? Related po ito sa records management. Pero ang focus niya ay freedom of information. Of course, para bilang po pagsunod sa Executive Order or EO number 2, title, Operationalizing in the Executive Branch the People's Constitutional Right to Information and the State Policies of Public Disclosure and Transparency in Public Service. In providing guidelines, therefore, this department issues the includes Department of Education People's Freedom of Information Manual and implementing these details. In short, Department of Education People's FOI Manual of 2016. Question. Who has the authority to decide if the request for information be granted or denied? O, pag-release ng record. Pinanghihingi ng record sa atin. Sino ang has the authority to decide if the request for information be granted or denied? Si T, school head. B, schools division superintendent. C, FOI decision maker. Or D, FOI receiving officer. Section 10 of DepEd Order 72 Series 2016. Meron po Section 10, FOI decision maker. So ang FOI, dun sa last part, shall have authority to grant or deny an FOI request. So ang bawat opisina ay magkakaroon po ng FOI decision maker. Pero ang designation should be approved by the DepEd Secretary ng IPOI Decision Maker. Ibig sabihin, sensitive ito na trabaho. Hindi basta-basta na trabaho yung magde-decide kung pwede ba ibigay ang info or hindi. Anong trabaho ng IPOI? Shall undertake the following. IPOI Decision Maker. Coordinate with the relevant office or personnel to determine the existence of the requested information and to direct the retrieval and submission of the same if available. Determine whether the period to respond needs to be extended should any of the grounds for extension be present. Then determine whether the information clearly falls under any of the inventory of exceptions under Section 5 of this manual. So in case the request is a subsequent identical or substantially similar request by the same requesting party, determine whether it constitutes an unreasonable request. And in case the information requested constitutes or contains personal information, determine the appropriate measures to balance the requester's interest in disclosure and the duty to protect the privacy of the individual concerned, and determine whether to grant or deny the request based on the law, facts, and circumstances. Okay. Ito, dalawa ang blank. The department shall respond to the FOI request or Freedom of Information request as soon as practicable but not exceeding how many days from receipt of the request unless extended whenever the request, extensive search, request, or examination or voluminous records are affected by the occurrence of any fortuitous event, preventing access or other analogous cases. In no case shall the extension go beyond. So pero ba ilang araw ba ang pagbibigay ng aksyon sa FOI request? At kung i-extend ba hanggang ilang araw? Is it 15 working days to 20 working days? 15 calendar days to 10 calendar days? 10 working days, extension 5 working days, then 5 calendar days, extension 5 calendar days. Okay, the right answer is 15 working days, 15 working days to 20 working days. So 15 working days to letter A. Tao po kayo. Letter A ang tamang sagot. Working days, hindi kasama yung holiday at saka Saturday and Sunday. So the response so hindi kung i-extend man, hindi na dapat lumagpas pa ng 20 days. So additional pa working days siya. Ito. Yes or no? Do foreigners have the right to access information from the Department of Education? Ito pong public documents. Pwede bang mag-request ng information or document ang foreigner from the Department of Education? Minsan lang, no. Okay. Right answer is no. The answer, yes, the right answer is no. Section 7, if I request, sinasabi dyan, specify every Filipino. Every Filipino. So specified na siya. Ibig sabihin, implied na hindi pwede ang Filipino citizen. For request access to information from department shall submit a written request. So hindi oral request. Dapat written request reasonably describing the information requested and the reason for or purpose of the request. The request shall state the name and the contact information of the requesting party, who shall also provide proof of his or her identification, not my ID. The requester may submit the request in person or by electronic or regular mail and may use the request form prescribed by the department. Section 8, where an FOI request may be submitted. So, can be sa Public Assistance Action Center at the Central Office ng DepEd. So, pwede rin sa Regional Office, pwede rin sa Schools Division Office, at saka sa school. Hindi po ito question guidelines po ito. Who shall receive the FOI request? So the FOI request shall be received by the FOI receiving officer. So halimbawa, verbal lang ang pag-request ng FOI ng information, anong gagawin ni FOI receiving officer? Provide reasonable assistance free of charge to enable requesters, especially those with special needs, to comply with the request requirements. So, bibigyan ng request form.